We've arrived at the Candy Cane Inn. This is our first stay here ever. We're really excited to experience the place and show you guys what it's all about. So one of the neat things that Candy Cane Inn offers is they actually have a free shuttle service that will take you to and from Disneyland. Not many other hotels in the area offer this, so it's actually a nice perk if you stay here. It's especially great if you have little kids or grandparents with you or anyone who has trouble walking to either get to and from the park. And it's also really great for those late nights when your feet are tired at the end of the day and you just want to sit down and rest. It's a very quick 5 to 8 minute shuttle ride, depending on which direction you're going, right to the park, super easy. And the nice thing is it will drop you off close to your room as it stops at multiple points throughout the hotel, so no matter where you are, you don't have to walk very far to get to and from the trolley.
So now we're going to check out the pool deck. The pool is heated, which makes it great for the winter months. We visited in February and it was super toasty. The hot tub is covered, making it a great escape from the rain. My favorite thing about this pool is the hours. It's open till 11 o'clock, which is rare because most hotels are only open till 9 or 10. Here's the kiddie pool and a better view of the hot tub covered area.
So one other perk that you have to stay in the Candy Cane Inn is parking is free. So this makes it a great option if you've chosen to drive here with your family or take your car here. Majority of the hotels in the area are almost $30 a night to park. But here, parking is free, breakfast is free, so there are some really nice perks of staying here.
Speaking of breakfast, Candy Cane Inn has the best continental breakfast of any hotel I have ever stayed at. The dining area is adjacent to the pool, which gives it a very nice atmosphere. Every morning, a waffle bar is set up on the pool deck. They have little waffles and big waffles. I'm going to give you a more detailed look into the food. They have a bagel station. These croissants are very fresh and amazing. Donuts, which I'll go more into detail about later. More pastries, as you can see. More donuts, of course. And these little croissant sandwiches with protein, egg, ham. There's a few different varieties, but they're very good and quite healthy. They have boiled eggs and cheese selections, as well as a fruit plate. Of course, they have a cereal station, as well as a milk dispenser, coffee, and some grab-and-go fruit. They also have quite a good juice selection.
So this is our spread that we decided to get for breakfast. One of the highlights I really wanted to point out was the donuts that were here. Yeah, it looked really impressive. Look how cute that candy cane one is. This is probably the best breakfast I've seen of any of the hotels in the Anaheim area, and it's completely free. This is 5 out of 5. Just finishing breakfast, I have to tell you the donuts are incredible. Some of the best ones I've tasted. I mean, I was not expecting it for a hotel to have donuts that taste like donuts, shop donuts, but they do. It's like if you walked into like Voodoo Donut or somewhere like that and got something sort of similar. That's what they sort of taste like. Plus some of the work that they've done on them in terms of decorations, like incredible. So top notch on the donuts, big highlight of the breakfast, but the whole spread was really good. Okay, so this is our room at the Candy Cane Inn at Disneyland. As you can see, it's a very, very clean room. It's modern. They've been renovated recently, so all the rooms have been redone. The beds look nice and clean and comfortable. Nice nightstand.
Show them the Mickey carpet.
Yeah, and kind of a cool little feature, the Mickey carpet. It's a nice little touch. Nice nightstand. Very quaint little bathroom. I quite like it. I mean, it's an interesting choice for the flower there on the wall, but overall, nice looking bathroom. And in addition to that, a nice looking sink area, as you can see. So the room looks very clean, very well put together. There's the fridge, which I think is in a bit of an odd spot underneath the sink there, but it's decent size. And this is kind of nice. There's a closet here with some, you can hang your clothes. There's an ironing board, iron, extra bedding, a safe, and I think a laundry rack. So, and then you've got your ice bucket and a nice desk here to do any work that you need to do, and of course a nice television. So that's kind of the overall overview of the room. again at the Candy Cane Inn, very nice.
So my favorite thing about this hotel is the view. Now I know I'm a total Disney nerd, but to see the backside of cars, so cool. And if you go this way a little bit, zoom in, there's a Grizzly Peak. I just love that we're like backing right onto Disneyland. It's super cool. So here's the fitness center. We haven't seen it yet before. So checking out for the first time with you guys. It's not the biggest. Here, I'll go here so you can see everything. There's mirrors right there. So for reference, motivational quote. Basically, there's 2 treadmills, a bike, ooh, a little core area, and of course towels. So that's nice. Not the biggest I've ever seen, but not the smallest either. At least they have one, so that's good.
So if you're looking for a nice hotel to stay at close to the parks, Candy Cane Inn is definitely a great choice. It is on the pricier side, so if you're budget conscious, it might not be the exact right place to stay at. But if you can afford it, it's a great spot. It's only about an 8-minute walk from the park. It's got the trolley, free breakfast, free parking, really super clean rooms, amazing amenities, nice pool. It's a great hotel. I can see why it's very, very popular amongst a lot of guests. I definitely recommend the Candy Cane Inn.